Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Seafood noodles are a common delicacy on the tables of people living in coastal areas. There are many seafood ingredients to choose from, such as shrimps, clams, squid, fish, etc. The addition of seafood gives the noodle soup a taste of the ocean. Seafood noodles is simple to make, nutritious and delicious. Let's get started. Prepare 120 grams of shrimps and 260 grams of clam. Wash them well. I only have these seafood ingredients on hand. You can easily choose the ingredients you can find. Also need some green vegetables, 100 grams of soaked mushrooms, and 100 grams of noodles. Separate the shrimp body and heads, only the shrimp body left. Heat a wok over medium heat, add 1 teaspoon of oil, some chopped scallions, stir fry for a while, then add 600 milliliters hot water. Add shrimps, clams, mushrooms. Boil until cooked through, about several minutes, remove the foam. Then add noodles, boil until cooked through. Finally add the green vegetables, salt. Turn off the heat. Delicious seafood noodles is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try. And subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.